If this is the view you see when you ride a boat, you are doing it wrong. So that is called the death roll, and that is not what we're going for.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I right my boat. Capsizing your boat is a normal part of sailing. Flipping is not a big deal even in the bigger wind conditions as long as you have the right technique. With the right technique, you should be able to right your boat in 20 to 30 knots of wind even if you're single-handing. Make sure the dagger board is tied onto the boat in such a way that it cannot fall out of the dagger board slot. When the boat tips over, get free of all the lines, make sure you aren't caught on anything, and also make sure you stay with the boat. The boat needs to be fully turtled so that you can climb onto the dagger board in the next step. If the boat does not want to turtle on its own, you're going to have to stand on the sail in order to sink the rig. Bring the boat up to the capsized position and then climb onto the dagger board. This is a good time to tidy up any tangled lines. Lift the mast tip about a foot out of the water. This is a great time to learn how to balance the sail's power with your weight. The sail will start catching the wind and start to lift itself. As the sail comes up, step into the boat and push down on the boom. Holding the boom down will slow down the movement and prevent a death roll. As soon as the boat comes up, you're going to want to sort out the tiller and then sheet in the jib. Sheeting in the jib will get the boat moving so you can steer.
So first things first, make sure you're not tangled. I am not. Because I have the kite in the water, I'm actually going to let it flip on me. And then I'll go in under the boat and deal with it there. Otherwise, sometimes it'll get wrapped up and it's a pain in the ass. So it's better just let it invert. So now that we're here, this one, and hopefully everything's clear. Yeah, it's coming in nice. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so you can see the kite popping. You're gonna uncleat the main and go back out. Ooh. So when riding a boat, key here is you need your dagger board, and you also have to flip the boat. The boat does need to be fully flipped because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right the boat so that the mast is into wind, and then stand on the dagger board, as you'll see here. Well, so right now it really wants to right. So basically just bring it up till it's about, I don't know, 45 degrees. And you can hop on it like this. And then just relax, take a moment. The boat will start coming up. At this point you want to just balance everything, make sure the kite's put away, tidy up. Put that there. The mast is going to be into the wind. There's absolutely nothing you can do about that. So that's something you just got to live with. My jib is tied right now, or cleated. So I'm going to reach down and uncleat it. So what I'm going to do now is basically bring the mast up, maybe a foot out of the water. Then it's going to fill with the wind and come up by itself. As it does that, I'm going to step down onto the bottom of the boat there, right where the main sheet cleat is, and put my hand on the boom to slow everything down. What happens with the boom is if I hold it down, the center of effort is going to be on the back of the boat, and that will round us up into the wind. The jib is wrapped up. That's not a problem because you can see my stopper knots are tied so that it can't actually fully wrap. So that all that's going to do is just depower it. That is a very good top tip. So basically, we're going to get going. I'm going to just go for it. Hopefully this catamaran is not going to be in our way. So I'll lift it up about a foot. As it comes up, step into the boat. You want to do this slowly. Right about there. There's no jib, so it's kind of slow. Yeah, right like that. Push on the boom. That rounds us up. First things first is you grab the tiller, then sheet in the jib. Yeah, so that's how you ride a boat. It is, you gotta be in shape. You will be tired. Oh, there's my buddy out on wing foil. I gotta go bug him. Yeah, so you're going to be very tired. You might be cold. The key there is just, you know, relax. It's not that hard to ride a boat if you have the right technique. I ride my boat if it's windy, 20 plus knots, and I have the kite up and I'm playing around. It's gonna be at least maybe 10 times I'm gonna flip, just because you know, you can't have fun without flipping. So don't worry about that. Go out on light wind days like today, where you know you can bring the boat up regardless of how you do it, and just practice the right way to do it. Everything is a lot funner. Like, big wind days are so much funner when you feel safe, and more importantly, you are safe. So go out there and have fun.